Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are very well and safe at home. My dear student, today I present here to take a class of English of class 5. My dear student, welcome to my English class. Today's lesson topics: class 5 subject English lesson unit 12. For the beginning of our class we watch a video. Samudro. My dear student, so our topic is, can you guess? See the picture, it's related to our video, isn't it? অলরেডি যে ভিডিওটা আমরা দেখে ফেলেছি ক্লাসের শুরুতে, এই ছবিটি সেই ভিডিওটির সাথেই মিলে গেছে, তাই না? চলো দেখি আসলে এই সমুদ্র, এই বিশাল সমুদ্র রাশি, জলরাশির সাথে আমাদের পড়ার সম্পর্ক কি। ওকে, dear student, look at the picture. It's a very amazing scenery, isn't it? It's very amazing scenery, and I think all of people wish to go to there. Okay, now this is the fact. Today's our topic is how far is Saint Martin. That means আমরা এতক্ষণ সেন্ট মার্টিনের একটি ভিডিও এবং ছবি দেখলাম। My dear students, now we are reading our textbook about how far is Saint Martin. Everybody open your book page at 46. Okay, dear student, so let's ready. At first I am reading the text and then you follow me and listen to me carefully. Okay, my dear student, so let's ready to read. Here you see the text of our book. Already I write in the slide. So let's start. This is Andy and Tamal is speaking to each other about a place. Okay, so let's listen and look. Andy: hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Andy: hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Tamal: sure Andy. Andy: what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? What are the main Andy, what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I know about Cox's Bazar. I visited there last month. Tamal: oh, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot. Andy: and it's beautiful. I loved the sea and the beach, but I had liked to see something see some new place in this time? Tamal, right. There are many places to see in our country. You can go to Srimangal. You can enjoy the beauty of the tea gardens. From there, you can go to Madhavkundo. There are some wonderful tea gardens there. You can also go to St. Martin's Island. It's a special place. So, my dear students, I think I read again the text, and again you listen to my words, okay? Andy, hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Tamal, sure Andy. Andy, what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I know about Cox's Bazar. I visited there last month. Tamal, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot. My dear student, let's now I read the text and you also read with me, okay? So, let's start. Andy, hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Dear student, say after me. Andy, hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Tamal, sure Andy. Tamal, sure Andy. Andy, what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? Let's say, what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? Okay, I know about, say after me, I know about Cox's Bazar. Okay, I know about Cox's Bazar. I visited there last month. Thank you. Tamal, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot. Okay, let's say again. Tamal, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot. Thank you. And then Andy, and it's beautiful. Say after me, and it's beautiful. I love the sea and the beach, but I had like to see some new place in this. Tamal, right. There are many places to see in our country. Say after me, Tamal, right. There are many places to see in our country. You can go to Srimangal. You can enjoy the beauty of the tea gardens. From there, you can go to Madhavkundo. There are some wonderful tea gardens. That means cha bagan. There are some wonderful tea gardens. You can also go to St. Martin Island. It's a special place. St. Martin is our lesson topics, isn't it? So, my dear student, our reading is finished now. I hope you I hope you are reading the text attentively. যদি কোথাও আটকে দাও ভাষায় সাহায্য নেবে। নাও আমরা এখন কি দেখব বন্ধুরা? আমরা এখন find out the new words. আমরা যে টপিকসটা পড়লাম, যে রিডিং টেক্সট, যে টেক্সটটা পড়লাম আমরা বইয়ের, এখান থেকে আমরা এখন নিউ ওয়ার্ডস বের করব। নিউ ওয়ার্ডস অলরেডি আমি বের করে রেখেছি। There are some new words already you see in the screen. there are some new words. So let's know about the words. Okay. Popular, tourist, garden, wonderful place. Let's say popular, tourist, garden, wonderful place. My dear student, let's know the meaning of the words. Popular, liked or admired by many people by a particular person or group. Liked or admired by many people or by a particular person or group. Again say, liked or admired by many people or by a particular person or group. Okay. Let's know about tourist. A person who is traveling or visiting a place for pleasure. Okay. A person who is traveling or visiting a place for pleasure. So, my dear students, you have to write these new words in your khata. Let's know about the word of garden. A piece of land usually near a home where flowers and other plants are grown. A piece of land usually near a home where flowers and other plants are grown. Okay, let's know about wonderful. Wonderful, that means marvelous. Pleasure. Okay, marvelous. যখন আমরা অনেক বেশি বিস্ময় আকার প্রকাশ করি তো wonderful বলি. Place. Place means a location. Place means a location. Okay. So everybody write the similar words of our popular tourist garden wonderful place in our khata and try to read at home and practice more and more. My dear students, let's know the meaning of the words in Bangla. Okay. Popular means জনপ্রিয়. Tourist means পর্যটক. Tourist means পর্যটক. Garden means বাগান. Wonderful means অনেক সুন্দর. Place মানে স্থান. I think you have understand very well the meanings of the words, English meanings and Bengali meanings, both of meanings you will understand very well. Thanks. Let's go to the next job. Okay, answer the following question. আমরা এতক্ষণ রিডিংটা পড়েছি, আমাদের নির্ধারিত টেক্সটটুকু পড়েছি, খুব বুঝে বুঝে আমরা পড়েছি। আমাদের পাঠের শিরোনাম হচ্ছে সেন্ট মার্টিন নিয়ে, তাই না? আমরা সেন্ট মার্টিনের পড়া আমরা টেক্সট পড়ে দেখেছি, পড়ার সময় দেখেছি তমাল এবং অ্যান্ডি দুজন কথা বলছে বাংলাদেশের বিভিন্ন প্লেস নিয়ে। তো এখানে আমরা মাধবকুণ্ড শ্রীমঙ্গলের নাম চলে এসেছে, এরপর শেষে আছে যে তুমি সেন্ট মার্টিনে যেতে পারো। তো আমরা পুরো বিষয়টা বুঝে গিয়েছি। এখন আমরা সিন কম্প্রিহেনশনের মতো যে উপরে হচ্ছে সিন কম্প্রিহেনশন দেখে তুমি নিচে কিছু প্রশ্নের উত্তর দাও। তো সেই মানে অভিজ্ঞতায় সেটাকে ফলো করে আমরা এখন তিনটি কোশ্চেন, ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, লেটস try to answer the following question. Okay, first question is, which is the most popular tourist spot of our country? Which is the most popular tourist spot of our country? Hey, we know already Tomal say about the most popular tourist spot in our country. Okay, can you remember? Of course you remember. So let's know the answer. Yes, Coxbazar is the most popular tourist spot of our country. Coxbazar is the most popular tourist spot in our country. Okay, let's know about the next question. Which tea garden talk about Tamal? Which tea garden talk about Tamal? বলছে যে তমাল কোন চা বাগানের সম্পর্কে বলেছিল। Let's know the answer. Tamal talk about Srimangal tea garden. Okay, Tamal talk about Srimangal tea garden. So my dear students, let's read and write in your khata the answer. And next question is, where is the waterfalls? Where is the waterfalls? This waterfalls is Madhavkundo. Here is the answer. So our question is complete. Okay, here are 3 fill in the blanks we see. So we try to solve these problems. Okay, 1 number, Coxbazar is the most popular dash of our country. So can you guess which is the what is fill the blanks? Yes, of course you know this is tourist spot. This is tourist spot, and second is there are some wonderful dash here. So guess what? Waterfalls. This is waterfalls. Okay, you can also go dash island, where this is St. Martin's. Okay, it's a very interesting topics. আমরাও কোনো এক সময় গিয়েছি, হয়তো অনেক আনন্দ করেছি, অনেকে গিয়েছি, হয়তো অনেকে যায়নি। যারা যায়নি যাব কোনো এক সময়, অনেক আনন্দ করব। তার আগে আমরা সুন্দর করে আমাদের পড়াটা পড়ে নিলাম, জানলাম, আমরা আরও জানবো এই সেন্ট মার্টিন সম্বন্ধে, এবং সব কিছু জেনে শুনে যদি আমরা ভ্রমণে যাই সেটি আরও বেশি অনেক সুবিধার হবে, আনন্দদায়ক হবে। So my dear students of class 5, no more today. We must see next class the second topics. So now I want to introduce myself. I am Shirin Bokul, assistant teacher of Rambhadapur Government Primary School from Dinajpur Fulbari. So thanks everybody. সবাই ভালো থেকো। আল্লাহ হাফেজ, টাটা।